I'm Fred with Fred's Auto Repair, and today we're going to see if we can get my old mud mower fired back off. It's a Craftsman riding lawn mower that the deck had issues and we ripped it off and been running around here, running it through the creek, up the side of the mountain, all this good stuff. So it got parked this last February in the snow, rode around some then, and the battery ended up running dead. So we're going to charge up the battery. It's already on charge. And we're going to see about doing a hood stack on this thing today. So anyway, so stay tuned. Okay, well, let us whiz the cover and exhaust pipe off of here. So stay tuned. Okay, well, it normally sits about like this up in here. And we are going to flip this little fella around and basically hood stack it. This is going to be awesome here, so stay tuned. I'm going to put this back on and get a hole saw and cut a hole in the plastic cover. Okay, now we have got our hole saw here and the drill bit. So it's not rocket science, so I could probably just put in the rough area where I've kind of outlined. Okay, there we go. Would you look at that? We got room to spare here. Sure, it may melt a little bit, but that's just part of the fun here. So we're going to get this thing, a couple things buttoned up on it. We'll be ready to fire her off. Okay, let's see if she fires off here. Okay, well, that worked out beautifully. It works perfectly. It was a little tight on here, but that heat from that exhaust pipe kind of just self-clearanced. So anyways, y'all have a good one. I'll catch you in the next one.